Yay! Another pack with me video. I know how you love this by the views from my other videos on this topic, so even though I'm going to my mom's village for only a few days, specifically 4 days, I want to show you what I take with me and how I pack. Mostly to brag about my new backpack, but let's start with the things that I'm taking with me. This is a summer dress that I got recently. I'm not a fan of dressy style, but I like how easy it is to put on a dress and just go. I don't know if you care, but maybe it's time to address the elephant in the room. Yes, I changed my hair color and I'm not done yet. If you're interested in my hair adventures, check out my Instagram page. I saved it for you in highlight. Another piece is this jean jacket. What I appreciate about this is that it has a lot of pockets. This is quite a rare thing in women's clothes, and this is how it looks on me. It's perfect for summer evenings with a lot of mosquitoes and a little bit of chill weather. Another thing is these pants. Actually, I bought them to wear at home, but they are so black that they have always a lot of fur from my cats, so I decided they're perfect for gardening. These are my favorite leggings. I'm always afraid to stain them, so in this trip I'm gonna wear them only for sleeping. I don't wear pajamas, in case you wonder. I sleep in my home clothes. It's the beginning of summer, but in case it's gonna be hot, I'm gonna take some shorts with me. Another piece that I'm gonna sleep in is this long sleeve. I specifically have it for wearing at home and sleeping in it. By the way, if you're on a budget, you don't need to buy expensive pajama set, just use some cotton long sleeve. This t-shirt is for wearing underneath the jean jacket mostly. And the last thing is, of course, shoes. I believe that nobody really needs more than one pair for 4 days, so I'm just taking one pair of sneakers with me that I love so much. They aren't fashionable, but I'm just in love with them. And welcome my new backpack. I'm so glad I have it. It was actually sent to me by a brand, and I think it's extremely useful because my former backpacks, they were not specifically for traveling, and this one is. So you can see that it has a lot of pockets, like you will definitely find a place for everything. No need to buy extra plastic bags for your clothes or different categories of stuff. And I like that it has very firm and sturdy straps, because straps on my other backpacks, they were just falling off if I was wearing something heavy inside. I finally have a compartment for my laptop. I really needed it, and it even has some kind of a USB charger. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but some people probably need it. And the pocket at the bottom, which makes it so easy to not waste your space, because sometimes you know that at the bottom there's some space left and you can do nothing about it. And this is where I'm gonna pack everything. Let's see if everything fits. Let's start with folding bottoms. These are leggings that I'm gonna sleep in, and of course my favorite type of folding is just making a sausage out of whatever I'm folding, because this is the most space-saving way to fold your stuff for trips like this. My cats are cute little helpers. And then I'm gonna fold all the tops. My t-shirt goes next. The last one is my long sleeve for sleeping and wearing outside as well. By the way, I do not have a problem with wearing home clothes outside. So I fold it to the center and then I roll a sausage. Let's take my backpack and start fitting everything inside. I like that it opens up like a real suitcase, because this way I can open it wherever I am and see everything that I have right now and choose the outfit for myself for this day. I tried to nicely fit everything to the sides, because sides and the bottom are the most wasteful space usually. And yeah, how could I forget about underwear? And one pair of socks, and another pair will be on my feet. So just 3 underpants. I don't think I will need more because I'll have only 3 nights there. I like to put underwear in the sack that I will link in the description in case you need that. As to cosmetics, I take cleanser, my serum, and deodorant. I'll have toothbrush and a toothpaste right there, and also some of the shampoos wherever. I can have it at my mom's, no problem. And most hotels do have them too, so no need to worry about it. It is such a relief to be able to fit my laptop inside the backpack and still have a lot of space for other things. So I'm packing everything for my work. On this trip I'll have to work, and I'll have the whole bottom pocket for anti-mosquito products, because I have a very tasty blood and I have really aggressive reactions to bites of different insects, so I hate them, and have everything I need to spray all over myself. When going to my mom's, I always need plastic bags because she's gonna gift me some garden goods, and I'm waiting for this. My electronics go to the small pockets at the front, and I'm ready to go. I have to mention that this is not what I'm gonna wear on the right. I'm gonna wear that dress that I showed you, my jean jacket and my sneakers with socks, of course, and underwear, of course. So I'm now in the village. Interior obviously tells about it. This is what I was wearing at night. So I was sleeping in those. It was quite warm because, well, overall it's not too hot in here. And this is what I'm wearing right now. Let me show you. Well, jean jacket just to not get cold, the long sleeve underneath, and my black pants that I'm going to go gardening in. And this is my overall villagey look. If I get too hot, I can wear a dress, or I can simply put on a t-shirt instead of this whole situation, and also I have shorts. That's it. That's all you need. You can wear basically the same thing every day and be fine. I promise. If you're on the minimalism channel, you might probably be interested in decluttering. Good news! I'm planning the 14-day decluttering challenge that I'm gonna post on my Patreon. In case you're interested, you may support me there and receive a daily video for decluttering challenge starting the next week. Meanwhile, you can watch my past video, which was about the decluttering tricks that I love. And have the most wonderful day. Goodbye!